Good morning, students. Today I'll solve Mathematics Syllabus D, Paper 1, 4024, Variation 12, May, June 2017. In my last video, I have finished up to question number 8. Today I'm going to do question number 9 and onwards. Write down all the integers that satisfy this inequality. So I'm going to draw this one. This is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. It's greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That means minus 1.5. So that's going to be closed circle. And then less than 2. This is open circle and that. So this x is greater than or equal to this particular point minus 1.5, greater than or equal to that, but less than 2. Therefore, in between these two values, there are integers. Okay, this is integers. How many integers are there? There are 3 integers. So minus 1, 0, and 1. Complete the following inequality with a fraction. Now this one, you can do so many different ways. One of the easiest way, take the average of that. Okay, take the average. Okay, average of that. Therefore, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So it's gonna be 3, and this is LCM is 4. So this is gonna be plus 2, and there is 1 by 2. So it's gonna be 5 by 8. Okay, so this is gonna be 5 by 8. This over here, 5 by 8. Okay, I did that one. And another way you can do that, what is that? Make the like fraction. Okay. If there is not only one, there are so many asking that. They're asking that find out. See, remember it says a fraction, but if it says 2 fraction, what would you do? The thing you need to do, make the denominator same. Don't worry about the numerator. Okay, so I can make this one. Okay, if I'm doing this one, I can make the denominator equal to 4, 2 times 2, and I can do that if I do this one. So it's gonna be 2, and this is gonna be 4. Now see that in between this denominator is same. This is 2, this is 3. So in between should be 2.5 divided by 4, or 2.1, or 2.9 divided by 4. So many. Okay. But if you want some other things, you can do this. 3 by 4 times, let's make this 10. Okay, so that's going to be 30 by 40. And this is going to make 40. So 2 times, let me do it over here. 2 times 20, that's 40. Then 1 times 20. So this is 20 and this is 40. So see that there are so many things you can write down. 21 by 40, 22 by 40, 29 by 40, so many. Okay, so I hope you understand that, and you can use either way you want. Now this one, write down an irrational values of n that satisfy this inequality. To do that, I can write down a square, then n and this one square. Now I cannot do this because 2 square equal to 4, and this is 2, unless I introduce a square root. Okay, square root 2 square means 2, square root 3 square means 3. So that can be written as square root 4 x here and square root 9. So anything in between, okay, that's going to be irrational number. So I can take, there says that n irrational number. You can write down a square root 5. Can a square root 6 be an irrational number? Yes, it can. Square root 7, square root 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 4 choices. Okay, there are some more, but these are sure shot. Okay, so this one is done. And next one, here are masses of grams of 8 apples. 189. Okay, so they are not organized. These are raw data. Find the median of the mass. Median, we know that exactly the middle ones. So I'm gonna see what is the smallest value. There is 89, 75, 80, 90, 61. So the lowest one is 61. So I'm just gonna draw this one. Let's say this is 1. So first 161. And there is no 10th place 6. See that? No 6 in the 10th place. Now 7 here and here, these two, there are no more 7. So among these two, this is the smaller one. So this is 2, this is 3. So I can put 174, then 175. I'm organizing the data. Now I'm gonna go for 80. So these two 80, they are 90. So among that, this is the smallest. So 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So I take 185, then 189. Now in tens place 9, 192 this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. This is 7. So 6 is gonna be 192, and that's 196. And lastly, this is the biggest one, 202. This one was raw data. This is the organized data. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 2, that gives me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I take this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 datas, and this side is 3 datas. So median should be this term, fourth, plus the next one divided by 2. That's average of that. So these two, average of these two. Then if I box it out, on the right hand side I have 3 numbers of data, and left hand side I have 3 numbers of data. So that's gonna be 185 plus 189 divided by 2. So 9 plus 5 is 14, carrying 1. 16, 17, carrying 1, 2, 3 divided by 2. So 2, that's 1. 8 is 16, 7, 187 gram. That's my median mass of this 8 apples. Okay. Next, a bag contains 5 carrots. The mean mass of the carrots is 60 gram. This 5 carrots mean is 60, or average is 60 gram. Another carrot is added to the bag. The mean mass of the 6 carrot now is this. Okay, work out. Now new mean is 65. Okay, and this one, this mean, okay, and they are asking to find out the mass of this new one. Let this mass be m. Okay, and for this one, only this part, you know that mean is gonna be all the numbers, okay, all those 5s, summation of all those 5s divided by that 5, that's mean. So if I multiply this, I'm gonna get summation of that. So 5 times 60. Okay, and in below, instead of 5, now I have 5, and this is 1, 6. So 65 times 5 and 1, 6, and that's gonna be 300 plus m. So this m gonna be 5, 6, 30, 3, 6, 6, 36, 37, 38, 39 minus 300, that's supposed to be 90. So this 6th carrot has 90 gram mass. Okay. Now next one, solve the simultaneous equation. This is first equation, 5x minus 2y equal to 16, and second one, 3x plus 4y equal to 7. If I try to cancel out x, I have to multiply both equation to make their LCM equal to their LCM. 5 and 3's LCM is 15. To make this one 15, I have to multiply this one by 3, and make this one 15, I have to multiply this by 5. Rather, I'm gonna cancel out y, because if I cancel out y, the first one I have to multiply by 2. So 2 2's are 4, and this is, I don't need to change anything. So if I multiply all those terms, 5 times 2 is 10x minus 4y equal to 16 2's are 32. And here 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Then I can cancel this out. This is gonna be 7x, and that's gonna be 13x. This is gonna be added, 10 plus 3, 13, and that's gonna be 39. Therefore x equal to 39 divided by 13 is 3. Now if you put this one in any equation, let's do the first equation. 5 times 3 minus 2y equal to 16. So that's gonna be 15. Coming to this side 16 and taking that one, that's gonna be 2y. So y equal to be minus 1 by 2. So x is minus half. No, x is 3, y is minus half. Okay, so this one is done. Now this one says y is inversely proportional to the square of x. So y is inversely proportional to square of x. Okay, and some of the values is given. So I can write down y equal to kx square. If I change this sign to x to equal, then I have to introduce one constant k. Now these two values are given, x and y, when x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Using that, I can use the value of k. So y is 3 and k, x is 2 square. So this is 2 square is 4. So 4 3s are 12. So I can write down k equal to 3 times 4 equal to 12. Now this equation can be rewrite as y equal to 12 by x square. The equation connecting x and y. So that's that. Y equal to 12 over x square. Okay, so this one is done. And find the value of p. See that value of p. Now I can see in the place of x, I can put y. I can put p, and in the place of y I can use 48. So 48 equal to 12, and this is p square. P square comes over here, and 12 divided by 48, that should be 1 by 4. So p is going to be plus minus 1 by 2. So that's plus minus. Keep both values. Okay. So that one is done. Question number 13. Rani has $240. She spends 5/8 of this. This means this on a new phone. Work out the cost of the phone. So whatever she spent, that was the price of the phone. So 5/8 times 240. So 8 goes in 24 3 times and then 0. So 150. So the cost of the phone is $150. Okay. Anna invests 150 in an account that pays simple interest. Invest. So principal equal to 150. She leaves the money in account for 4 years. So time is given 4 years. At the end of 4 years, she has that. So that's her amount, 162. Work out the rate. So rate equal to what? Now amount, we know that principal plus interest. Now amount is given 162. Principal is 150. And formula for I is, let me write down that, PRT over 100. Now P we know 150. Then R we don't know. That R we have to find out R. Time we know 4 and divided by 100. So if I bring this to this side, it's gonna be 12, and this over here 100, and this 4 times 150, that's my R. So this and this cross out. 4 3s are 3 5s are 5 2s are. Therefore R equal to 2%. So that's 2. I hope you understand this. I did really fast. Sorry about that, but I think you can handle this calculation. Okay. Now next one, function of x equal to 3x minus k over 4, given that function of 11 equal to 7. It's given. So function of 11 equal to 7. Now over here, 3 in the place of x, I'm going to put 11 minus k divided by 4. I need to find out the value of k. That's 7. So what happened? 3 times 11 is 33 minus k equal to 4 times 7 is 28. So 33 minus 28, bring this one over here, k to that side. Therefore k equal to 2, 3, 5. This is 5. Okay. Now find inverse function of x. Okay. So function of x equal to 3x. Now k we already know 5. And this is 4. We're going to replace that by y. And I'm going to make x is the subject. Okay. So this is going to be 4y equal to 3x minus 5. So this is going to be 3x, and bring this one over here, 4y plus 5. So x is going to be 4y plus 5 divided by 3. Since x is by itself, then we can write down inverse of function equal to 4x plus 5 divided by 3. So that's going to be 4x plus 5 divided by 3. All right, that next one, 15. The diagram shows triangle A and B. A and B. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. Now it doesn't look rotate. Okay, if it was rotated like that, this pointed should be this side. You can see that if I rotated this, it should be this way. Okay, and it's not enlargement and it's not translation. It must be reflection. So this and this. Now let's go for this corresponding point. This. So here is 3, diagonally 3, 1, 2, 3. So half of diagonally is 1.5 right over here. Okay, so it does look like it's reflected on this line, y equal to minus x. Okay, when you do enough practice on this one, you'll be easily understand this. This is y equal to minus x. So we can say it's reflected on y equal to minus x. 2 marks. To recognize the reflection, the transformation is reflection, and to write down the equation of the line. 2 marks. 1, 1. Triangle A maps onto triangle C by a rotation 90 degree anti-clockwise about the origin. Anti-clockwise 90 degree about the origin. Okay, so what are we gonna do? This is the easiest way. There are so many ways you can do. You can use the matrix, you can use so many things, tracing paper. The way I'm gonna do this is the center, and I'm gonna rotate 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so this point is gonna be minus 1 and 1, 2 up. So transformation matrix, you can say that minus 1, or column matrix minus 1 then up 2. So go this side, our original position minus 1, 1, 2. That is this position. And go back again for the second one. I'm gonna go for this one, minus 1 then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go back again, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one. So I take this, I took that, now I'm going to take this one. Again 90 degree anti-clockwise. This one is minus 2 this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So go back again, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can join this. We can join the rest of the dots to get the triangle C. So this is my triangle C. Excuse me. It says draw triangle C. It's done. Okay. You could have used the transformation matrix, but it's very lengthy. Just to let you know, the transformation matrix would be 0, 1, minus 1, 0. That transformation matrix, and you take this coordinates 2, 1, then 5, 1. And then 4, 2. You multiply that, you should be able to get this one. Okay, I don't want to do that, but that should be working. Or do you want me to do that? Let me do that. Okay, if I multiply this, 0 times 2 is 0, that's minus 1. So that's minus 1, that's minus 2. And over here, this times this, it goes like that. This times this plus this times this. So this is going to be 2, that's going to be 5, that's going to be 4. So if this is A, B, C, this is going to be A prime, B prime, C prime, and the formula goes matrix times object equal to image. Okay, so this is matrix, this is object, this is image. See, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then minus 2, 4, minus 2, 4. Okay, so this one is done. Question number 16. It says A is a point 0, 3. B is a point 1, 5, and C is the point P minus 1. Find the equation of the line AB. So equation of AB, we know the formula y if 2 points are given, y minus y1, y1 minus y2 equal to x minus x1, x1 minus x2. Most of the teacher loves to do this one over here, this one over here. I'd like to keep all y at the same place, same side, and all x on the other side. So it's going to be y minus 3, 3 minus 5 equal to x minus 0, 0 minus 1. So y minus 3, this is minus 2, x minus 1. So minus minus cross out. So y equal to 2x, and if I bring this 3 over here, so that's that. Y equal to 2x plus 3. I can write down here y equal to the gradient of the line BC. B is given, C is given this, okay, and gradient is given P. So gradient of BC equal to minus 3 by 4, and the formula of gradient is difference in y-axis over difference in x-axis. So over here 5 minus minus 1, 5 minus minus 1, and 1 minus p over 1 minus p equal to minus 3 by 4. So that's plus 6 over 1 minus p equal to minus 3 by 4. If I cross that one out, 1, and this is going to be 2. So that's going to be 8 equal to, actually minus 8, bring this one over here, 1 here, 1 minus p. So p, and take that one, is going to be 9. Okay, so p is going to be 9. All right. Now question number 17. The diagram, in the diagram, P, Q, R, S, T lie on a circle, on the circumference of the circle. TQ is the diameter of circle center O. Okay. X is the point of intersection of PS and QT. PXT is 125. PSQ is 35. Complete the following statement with a geometrical reason. PTQ equal to 35. Well, this one and this one is equal. PTQ is supposed to be 35 because angles on the same segment from the same arc length. See that arc length is PQ. From PQ, every angle drawn on the same segment, they are equal. So that's the geometrical reasoning. Find PQT. PQT, this angle. Well, I hope you know that since this is a diagram, this angle is 90 degree. Okay. If this is 90 degree, this angle is supposed to be 90 minus 35. You don't need to give any reason because it's only 1 point. 90 minus 35. So it's gonna be 40. So that's gonna be 5, and that's gonna be 55 degree. Okay. So that's 55 degree. And then SPQ. SPQ, this angle. Okay, we need to find out this angle. Let me write down this angle over here is 55. And okay, this is a straight line, so we can calculate this angle. This angle is supposed to be 180 minus 125. So that's going to be 5. 3, that's going to be 5. Oh, this is 55 too. Okay, so these two sides are equal. So this angle is supposed to be 180 minus 2 times 55. So 180 minus 110, that's going to be 70 degrees. So this is 70 degree. Okay, so this one is done. And then SRQ, this one. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral and this is 70. So this angle and this angle has to be supplementary. So you can write down angle SRQ equal to 180 minus 70. That's going to be 110. So that's 110 degree. So, you can write down cyclic quadrilateral, or it didn't ask for anything, so you can keep it as it is. Okay. Now next one, the diagram in the speed time graph of 25 seconds of a car journey. 25 speed time graph. This is speed, this is time. The car slows down uniformly from a speed of v to a speed of 12 in 15 seconds. Okay, it then travels at a constant speed. The retardation, this retardation of the car is 0.4 meter. So for retardation, we can go for v minus 12 divided by 15 equal to 0.4. The acceleration's formula is v minus u divided by t, acceleration. Okay, now v is the final velocity, but in this case, since this is a retardation, we're gonna go this minus that. Okay, this minus that. Okay, it's not final, initial to that. So v, and that, to take this one, see that 15 times 4 is your 60. 60, but there is a point, so that's that. V minus 12 equal to 6. Therefore, V equal to 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, so that's gonna be 18. This V should be 18 meter per second. Calculate the distance traveled by the car from t0 to 25. Now, distance is under the graph. Okay, area under the graph. So the distance equal to, this does look like a trapezium with this parallel side, and this is a rectangle. So that's going to be half, and parallel sides sum is going to be, this is going to be 12 over here, and this is going to be 18. So 12 plus 18, and the height is going to be 15. This is the trapezium's area. Okay, and rectangle's area is 25 minus 15. So 25 minus 15, and this height is 12. So that's gonna be half, and 12 times 18 is 30 times 15, plus this is gonna be 10 times 12. So that's 15. Now 15 times 15 should be 225. Let me show you. 15 times 15, 5 5s are 25, carrying 2, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 5 1s are 5 and 1. So 5, 12, 2. So 225 plus this is 120. So that's going to be 5, 4, 3. It's going to be 345 meter. Okay, 345 meter. Okay, next one, question number 19. A pentagon has 4 angles, 2x, and 1 angle is x. Calculate the value of x. So 4 times 2x, 4 of them are that, and 1 angle is x. Now, what is the angle sum of a pentagon? Now, we have this sum of a polygon is the formula is n minus 2 times 180, and it says pentagon. So pentagon is 5 minus 2 times 180. So sum of all 5 angles of a pentagon. Pentagon supposed to be look something like that. So that this means that this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this 5 angles sum is this. Okay, and 4 of them are 2x each, and another one is x. That's what the question is saying. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9x, and over here is 3 times 180. So x is going to be 3 times 180 divided by 9. So this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 60. X is 60. So it's going to be 60 degree right over here. Next one says ABC, ABCD and EBCF are part of 2 identical n-sided polygon. Okay, 2 are polygons join together along with BC. Okay, so whatever this one is the same. Okay, they are just joined over here. This is 30 degree. Calculate the value of n. To get that, see, the trick is over here is identical regular n-sided polygon. Regular is a strong word. Regular means all side and all angles are equal. Square is a regular polygon. Rectangle is not. This is not a regular polygon. This is polygon, but this is regular polygon because all side and all angles are equal. So according to the question, regular polygon, this angle has to be equal to this angle. Now one of this angle, let's say this is theta, is going to be 360 minus 30, because sum of these 3 angles has to be 360. So 360 minus that gonna give me this. So divided by 2 should be 1 angle. Okay, 1 interior angle of this n-sided polygon. So it's gonna be 330 divided by 2. So 165, that's 65. Okay, now we can use this formula. Okay, so 165, that's 1 angle. Then we don't know n, so n minus 2 times 180 divided by, see that if there are 5 of them, the summation of that, so each one of them, if I divide that by that number, then I'm going to get each angle. Okay, so I'm going to divide that by n. So multiply that, 165n equal to that's 180n, and that's going to be minus 360. So take this side and bring this one over here. So 180n minus 165n, bring this one over here, 360. So that's going to be 15n equal to 360. N equal to 360 divided by 15. 15 to the 30. And 30, 60, 4 is 24. So 24 sides. So number of side is 24. Thank you for watching. From 20 and onwards, I'll do it in my next video. Okay, take care. Have a good day.